Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh, and in this video we'll be talking about the latest development in the Cambridge Analytica case. Now the CBI has registered cases against two companies, which is Cambridge Analytica and also Global Science Research Limited. What are the cases all about? Well, they have registered cases against these two companies for illegal harvesting of personal data from Facebook users in India. So what is the Cambridge Analytica and Facebook controversy all about? Well, to understand this, let's go back to 2014. Back in 2014, a researcher named Alexander Kogan from the University of Cambridge created an application which was called This Is Your Digital Life. Now this application basically was a personality quiz and was downloaded by 270,000 people across the world. Now what this did is it collected information from people to give out their results on their personality, and this not just collected information of people who took the quiz but also ended up collecting information of their friends and the kind of information that they did not want to share publicly. Now Kogan passed on this information to a data mining and political strategy firm, you guessed it right, Cambridge Analytica. But how did Facebook allow all of this to happen? Well, at that time, Facebook platform's API let developers gain access to such information to help improve their applications. And also, what developers like Kogan did was they passed on this information to companies like Cambridge Analytica without the Facebook or even users knowing anything about it. Now coming back to Cambridge Analytica, what did this company do with all this information and also details about users, that to Facebook users? Now this firm essentially created profiles of users whose information they had by looking at the posts they liked, the kind of engagement that they had on Facebook, and also they tried and understood the likes and dislikes of users and started targeting tailored political applications for advertisements for these particular users. Now the entire process is known as psychographic profiling, and both Ted Cruz and Donald Trump utilized this particular data during the 2016 US presidential election. Now as per an estimate by Facebook, around 87 million users could have been potentially targeted in the Cambridge Analytica scandal, and the company, in fact the Cambridge Analytica came out and said that they had information only about 30 million users. So what was the fallout? This fallout and the controversy was very massive. There was #DeleteFacebook campaign all over the internet. Mark Zuckerberg had to come out and testify before the Congress in April 2018, and in fact in July 2019 the Federal Trade Commission voted to approve fining Facebook for around $5 billion, and this was massive, and this created controversy all around the world, and of course as expected it had its repercussions on India as well. In fact, in March 2018, the government of India took notice of this particular controversy and asked Cambridge Analytica to furnish the list of its clients and also the type of data they had given out. This meant that there was drama in Rajya Sabha as well. Opposition started questioning the government, and IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad came out and said that they will be taking action against this particular company. And after this, the CBI also started investigating in August 2018, and after that a case has been filed now. So what is the information that is collected by CBI? What are the sort of investigations that are carried out, and also which companies are under the purview? Cambridge Analytica and Global Science Research Limited, of course, are the companies in question right now, but also Facebook had faced flag from various countries across the world, and it is very much possible that it could be the scenario in India as well. And given the fact that as of now big tech do not really have the kind of reputation that they earlier had, this is definitely not helping the cause of Facebook. What does it mean for Facebook? Also at the time when the parliamentary panel headed by Shashi Tharoor is almost grilling every single digital platform about what they're doing with data of Indian users and how they're using all of this, Facebook will really have some tough questions to answer. Do let us know what you guys think about this entire controversy in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.